Hello everyone, in front of me is Honor 600 and let me show you how to reset all the settings on this device. So first of all, enroll the settings, then find and select System and Updates, mark Reset, and here click on Reset All Settings. You've got it at the top of the list, so you will be able to easily find it. And now, if you really want to reset all settings, including those for networks, fingerprints, Face ID, and lock screen password, just mark Reset All Settings. Now you have to enter your PIN code if you have one. Click on confirmation mark and mark Reset All Settings. And just wait till it's performed. But basically that's it. So, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.